Good morning, dear students. Welcome again in Sanskar Science Academy online classes. So, dear student, in last class I told you about genetics, and I told you that father of genetics was Mr. Gregor John Mendel. They used Pisum sativum for their experiment. और फाइनली एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑफ मेंडल पब्लिश ऑन 1866 इन द ब्रून सोसाइटी ऑफ नेचुरल हिस्ट्री, एनुअल न्यूज़पेपर ऑफ ब्रून सोसाइटी ऑफ नेचुरल हिस्ट्री, एंड नेम्ड वाज माय एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑन प्लांट हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. नाउ टुडे वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट ग्लोसरी ऑफ मेंडलिज्म. मेंडल ने जो वर्ड यूज़ किए हैं बेटा, उनके बारे में आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. फर्स्ट वर्ड विच इज़ यूज्ड बाय मेंडल वाज फैक्टर. सो सिंपली व्हाट इज़ फैक्टर? अकॉर्डिंग टू मेंडल, फैक्टर इज़ ए स्मॉल यूनिट विच कंट्रोल द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ ऑफस्प्रिंग. आई रिपीट, अकॉर्डिंग टू मेंडल, factor are small units which control the characteristics of offsprings. So just I can say, according to Mendel, factors are responsible for the characters. Now in modern time, factors are known as gene, and you know very well that genes are genetical unit of living organism. So genes are genetical unit of living organism and situated on chromosomes. I repeat, factors are genes and they control the characteristics of offsprings or living beings. Genes are genetical unit situated on the chromosomes, and the term gene was given by Johnson. The term gene was given by Johnson. Number one. Number two, after the factor, homozygous, and third term heterozygous. What is homozygous condition? If both genes are similar in living offspring, if both genes which are responsible for one character, I repeat, if both genes which are responsible for single character are similar, this type condition is known as homozygous. एंड होमोजाइगस जनरेशन इज़ ऑलवेज प्योर. यदि किसी जनरेशन में किसी कैरेक्टर को डिटरमाइन करने वाले जीन दोनों सिमिलर हैं, दोनों एक जैसे हैं, दिस कंडीशन इज़ नोन एज होमोजाइगस कंडीशन. एंड होमोजाइगस कंडीशन इज़ प्योर विच इज़ रिलेटेड टू कैरेक्टर. इट मीन्स homozygous condition represent the purity of generation, like capital T, both genes are similar, so it represent that tallness, height, small t. It is also homozygous condition, but this small t represent the dwarfness, and it is pure dwarf and it is pure tall, like capital R. This capital R and capital R show the roundness of seed, a round shape of seed. Next, homozygous condition. If both genes are dissimilar or not similar, but they represent a single character, like capital T, small t, both genes are different. This condition is known as heterozygous, but this type of gene represent the height, like capital R, small r, capital T, small t. These are heterozygous condition, and heterozygous generation is hybrid. It means it is not pure, वो pure नहीं है. Is that clear? Next, F1 generation. So what is F1 generation? Actually, it is symbol for male, and this symbol is responsible for female. Yeah, represent the female. Like a single character, height represented by capital T, pure tall, small t, pure dwarf, and these are parentile generation. These are parentile generation. Okay. Now it is cross between capital T or small t. Here is genes capital T, gametes small t, cross between capital T small t, then we get F1 generation. It is hybrid. According to Mendel, in the experiment of Mendel, F1 generation is always hybrid, or just I can say F1 generation is heterozygous. So what is heterozygous? So what is F1 generation? So simply you can say F1 generation develops from the cross between parentile generation. Okay, I repeat, F1 generation develops from the cross pollination of parentile generation. And now F2 generation. So what is F2 generation? Actually F2 generation develops from the F1 generation by the self pollination. Why I used here cross pollination and here self pollination? Because these parentile generation are different, they are dissimilar to each other, but here both are similar. In this condition, gametes are formed. Please look at the board. It is F2 generation. This symbol show the bisexual condition, male, female, and this one bisexual. Gametes capital T small t, and here is gamete capital T small t. Now cross between capital T small t, you know, capital T small t small t small t. It is F2 generation, or just I can say it is second filial generation. So what is F2 generation? So simply F2 generation develops from the F1 generation by the self pollination, and F1 generation develops by the cross pollination. So terms, factors, homozygous, heterozygous, F1, F2. Now next point, next glossary of Mendel. Phenotype, and seventh genotype. So what is phenotype? Actually physical or outer structure of any living beings show the phenotype. I repeat, outer structure of living beings show the phenotype condition. Like me, here is a less of hair, so it is a phenotype of me. Is that clear? So what is second genotype? It is physical structure. And what is genotype? So genotype is a genetical combination of any living beings. Genetical combination never can't be never seen, but phenotype always visible or easily seen. Okay, if genotype of any living beings changed, then confirm phenotype become also changed, but it is not necessary that phenotype if changed that genotype is also changed. It means phenotype depend on the genotype, but genotype never depend on the phenotype condition. So first factor, homozygous, heterozygous, F1 generation, F2 generation, phenotype and genotype. In next class we discussed about Mendelism and other glossary of Mendel. Have a good day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.